Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix an error, that is Windows could not search for new updates, and the error code is 80072EFE. So if you are receiving this error message on your Windows computer, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to start background intelligent transfer service and Windows update services. So open run box, type in run in Windows search box, and then open run box and type in services.msc. So this command is provided in the video description. So type in services.msc and then click on OK. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click over here. Make sure startup type is set to automatic, then click on apply. If start is highlighted, click on start and then click on OK. And with background intelligent transfer service selected, click on restart. Also start Windows update services. So find Windows update, make a double click on Windows update. Make sure startup type is set to automatic. Click on apply. If start is highlighted, click on start and then click on OK. With Windows update selected, click on restart. Now restart your computer and then try to update your Windows. The next step is to delete the content from software distribution file folder. So open File Explorer on your computer, then go to this PC, open C drive, and then open the Windows folder and find software distribution folder. So just open software distribution folder and delete everything from here. So make a right click and then select all and then click on delete. Now if you are unable to delete anything from here, in that case you can start your computer in safe mode and then you should be able to delete the content from software distribution file, and then you can try to update your Windows. The next step is to delete the catroot2 folder. So first of all, open services. So open the run box once again and then type in services.msc, then click on OK and then find cryptographic services. So make a double click on cryptographic services. First of all, go ahead and disable it. So select disabled, then click on apply, or you can click on stop first. So once you select disable, click on stop and after that apply. OK. And now it's disabled. Now try to delete the catroot2 folder. So go to File Explorer once again, open C drive, then open the Windows folder, then find System32 folder, open System32 folder, and over here you have to go ahead and delete the catroot2 folder. Make a right click, then click on delete. Click on, if you're not able to delete it, in my case I'm not able to delete it, in that case start your computer in safe mode. So you can search in Google how to go to the safe mode, how to start your computer in safe mode. So start your computer in safe mode, and then after you delete this catroot folder, make a right click, then delete it. After you delete it, then open services.msc once again and then click on OK, and then find cryptographic services once again and then make a double click on cryptographic services and then set the startup type to automatic, then click on apply. Now click on OK, and with this one selected, restart, click on restart, and after this you can go ahead and try to update your Windows. Now in case nothing is working, in that case you can go ahead and install this update, that is KB3138612. Now this has worked for many users, so it might work for you. So copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Now over here you can go ahead and download this update. So it's update for Windows 7 x64 based system. If this one is not working, you can click on this update for Windows 7, this one, the last one, and then you can click on this Microsoft website over here. It will take you to this page. scroll down, and here you can see your x64 for x64 base system. Download the package now, and once the file is downloaded, you can run this file. So click on download, and once the download is complete, run this exe file and install it, then restart your computer and the error should go away. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.